What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to turn off line snapping in Tradingview. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So here I have a fresh chart pulled up that doesn't have any lines added to it. So let's see what happens when I try to add a trend line. I will go to trendline right here. And let's try to add it. So as you can see, when I try to add it, it automatically snaps to one of these candles right here. So it can be quite tricky to add a trend line on a zoomed out chart like this. So here I've managed to somewhat do it, but with some difficulties. But this snapping feature can be turned off, and this is how. So before adding a trend line, simply go to this magnet icon right here. If it's highlighted blue, then the magnet snap mode is enabled. So I will just disable it, and let's try it now. As you can see, I can freely add a trend line on whichever candle I wish without it snapping to a specific candle. So that's how you disable this trend line snapping mode in Tradingview. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, don't forget to check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.